Okay, we're moving on to the US dollar against Swiss franc for the 11th of February 2011 for majors analysis. Let's have a look at the daily time frame. Yesterday, as I mentioned, we saw the US dollar strengthen against most of its pairs, and sure enough, we saw the pair close higher. And then yesterday, we saw it pull back slightly, and then yesterday we saw the pair trading higher than its Asian market open close, which took it above the 50 period moving average, and then we just seen it shoot up during yesterday afternoon's trading in the US session. Now we can see we've got a swing higher, and sure enough, what we're doing now is we're moving towards the 975 mark. You can see we just tested a previous support resistance area here at the 970 mark, and that's what we're doing. You can see the Asian markets session hasn't traded much, and the European session we're also just seeing a slightly finding support above the close of last night. So we could see a bit of consolidation. Otherwise, what we could do is see a continuation to the upside. Next stop would be 975. We've been there before, but you'll notice we're trading well above the 50 period moving average as well as the 200 now, which is a good sign that we're seeing a kick higher on a smaller time frame. Our CTT, the candles have turned blue. Now we just got to wait for confirmation blue on either side to definitely give us that all important systems go long term. Okay, so intraday what we're looking for is to see if we can capitalize on a move further to the upside. You can see on an hourly time frame, for example, that consolidation on the Asian market trading session. Okay, so what we can do is we can box it. So we know the high we didn't get, that was the market Asian high, but you can take the European session high closed last night and the bottom and box it, for example. There we go. Okay, so a break lower than 968, could see this fall further to the downside, and what we're doing is we're looking for a nice close and break higher than 970 to give us further upside movement. You can see that we've had higher swings, bounce, bounce, bounce. So anywhere in this area here in the next couple of hours or so, we could see pair pushing slightly sideways and then getting that bounce to the upside. Okay, this is an hourly chart, guys. So just remember that in the next 2 or 3 hours, we might get a nice healthy bounce further to the upside. Market sentiment is still to the looking for further upside movement. Failure to see a bounce here and close higher than 970 will not see further runs to the upside, or we could just see it falling over and then the reattempt of previous lows. Okay, we've had a small pause here at 9655, for example. Further, there's another one right down the bottom here, but another pause roughly at 962, and vice versa further down. Okay, guys, that's it for the US dollar against the Swiss franc. I'll be back next with the last pair of the day, the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Take care.